I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Inglink. I hope you all are fine. In today's video, I'll be discussing about the specimen question paper that the council released for ICSE students. The subject that I'm going to discuss about is English language, that is English paper 1. If you want to gain access to this paper, you can check my description box and click on the link given there. So let's quickly start with the instructions first. As you can see over here, the maximum marks for this paper are 40. So instead of 80, you have paper of 40 marks. Then coming to the next point, time allowed is 1 hour. Children, you need to pay attention to this fact that this time is inclusive of your reading time. Earlier, you used to get 15 minutes as your reading time, but here you are only getting 1 hour. So you need to not only read the paper as well as solve this paper within this time limit only. Now, another important instruction over here is that all questions are compulsory. That means you are not getting any option over here. You'll have to attempt each and every question. Now here you can see the intended marks for these questions are given in the brackets. Now let me explain you question number 1. Children, as you can see here, the first question is based on your comprehension passage. Likewise, you are getting the instructions here. Read the following passage carefully and answer the questions that follow. Please do the first reading as a quick one, and after reading this passage, you are supposed to go through the questions. Now here you can see that you have question number A. For each word given below, choose the correct meaning as used in the passage from the options provided. So the first word given over here is tenderness, and you are getting 3 options. Now this is the MCQ sort of thing, and as the pattern is of MCQ only, so you are getting the options as meanings and you are supposed to choose the correct meaning. Like, what is the meaning for the word tenderness? Affection, soreness, youthfulness. But it is very important to please pay attention to this fact that you will have to choose the meaning that is used according to the passage. As used in the passage is very important. So 1 marks for each, and in total you are getting it of 3 marks. Question number B, C, D, E, F and G are the main questions where you are given a question like the reasoning ones and all. And like the first one is, why did the author feel that plants loved grandfather with as much tenderness as he loved them? So after reading the passage, you will have to go through these answers, right? And find the most appropriate one according to the given passage. So till G, you have these type of questions where you are getting the question and the possible answers are also given here, and you need to choose the correct one. Now question number H is, what has the author said about old people tree? Which of the following combination of sentences best summarizes the answer? Now here children, it's very important to note that earlier you were supposed to summarize it on your own, but here the summary is provided and you will have to choose the correct one. So it in short means that reading the passage carefully is very, very important. So this is also given in the MCQ form. You are getting 3 options here, 1, 2, 3, choose the correct one. So question number H is of 5 marks, and in total question number 1 is of 20 marks. Coming to question number 2, the first question A is based on your tenses. As you can see here, fill in the blanks with the correct forms of the words provided after the passage. Read the passage very carefully and then choose the correct form of the verb. You are getting it in the MCQ form. As you can see, the first option, thinks, thought, thinked. Read the line like, when he saw the cottage over amongst some bushes with a rank growth of nettles at one end, he dash. So he thinks, he thought, or he thinked. Now coming to the B1, this one is based on your prepositions, like you will have to choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. Surprise dash the noise, the judge called for silence. On, at or with. Choose the correct one. This one is of 4 marks, and in total you are getting 8 questions. Coming to question number C, this is based on your conjunctions where you are supposed to choose the correct option to join the following sentences. Very important, without using and, but or so. The first question is like, she sells seashells. She sells them on the seashore. Now combine these sentences without using and, but, or, so. And three options you are getting here. The first one is, she sells seashells on the seashore. Second, the seashells which she sells are found on the seashore. The third one, she sells seashells which are on the seashore. So go through it very carefully and then choose the correct one. Now the last one is very easy. Coming to the last question, this is of 8 marks, that is question number D. Here you are supposed to read the sentences with instructions and then choose the correct answer from the options provided beneath each. Children, this one is of 1 mark each and in total this is of 8 marks. You have sentences that are conditional and you are supposed to choose the correct option. So in total this question 2 is of 20 marks. Now the paper ends. That means in total the paper is of 40 marks. All the questions based on the comprehension passage as well as functional grammar, as you can see here, are based on your MCQs. That means you'll have to choose the correct answers. So in this video, I have just discussed what the paper is all about, but in my next video, I'll be sharing in detail what you need to and how you need to prepare for your first semester. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel Inglink. Thank you.